Assalamu alaikum. Hi level 2. I am your class teacher Miss Wajiha from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Hope level 2 you all are doing well. Now take out your social studies exercise book as well as your textbook. Open your exercise book and make a title page of final term right now. Decorate your title page with color pencils. Done. Now, on the next page, make another title page of unit number 11, Water and our Environment. Also, decorate your title page. You can draw just like I drew on the board. You can draw the use of water. Alright, decorate your title page with some diagram. Now, open your textbook, page number 65. Alright, I am going to start. Okay, put your finger on every line. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One morning, Rafi turned on the tap. There was no water. Mama, he shouted, where's the water? Mama said, there's a water shortage, Rafi. We haven't had rain for months. I'll turn on the electric pump. Then water will come up from the ground into a tank on the roof. It comes down a pipe to the tap. But please use it carefully. Then Rafi's Dada said, when I was a boy, we used to get water from a well. Hiba replied, when we went to the hills, I saw people take water from a stream. Then Rafi said, yes, at school we learned about Nasreen's village. She pumps water by hand. Mama said, we are lucky to have water from taps, said Mama, and we should be thankful to Allah most of the time. Alright? Now page number 66, look. You have to match the correct source of water. For example, a pump. Which is the pump? You have to match a pump with its picture, stream, well and a tap. Alright. Now page number 67. There's a question arises that how does water get to our taps? Hiba asked. What Mama said? Mama said, well, first rain falls on the hills. It makes streams and rivers. Sometime we dam the rivers. A dam is a high wall. It holds back the water in a lake. Rafi asked that, Mama, how does water get to us from the lakes? Mama said, the water goes through huge pipes. Next, filter. Take dirt out of the water. Then it goes to our cities. Electric pumps send the water up to a huge tanks. Then the water flows down into our taps. Alright, level 2. We have read about the importance of water, how water important for a life, for all living beings, for plants, for animals, for humans, or for all living beings. When Dada said that when he was a boy, Dada used to get water from well. People from on the hills get water from the stream, and the village peoples get water from the pumps, and we use water from our taps. See the difference, how different places use different kind of sources to get water for their daily use. And what is how the water come to our taps? The answer is, first the rain falls on the hills, then water makes streams and rivers. People dam the rivers to make big lakes. Beta, dam is a huge wall. We have read now, which is used to hold back the water in a lake. What is lake? A lake is formed when a stream is a flowing water. When we dam the stream or when we dam the river, it will make a lake. And how does water get to us from the lake? First of all, it goes through a huge pipe. Then filter take dirt out of the water. What is filter? Filter is something that have a very minute pores. For example, a hole, very small holes that can only pass water and holds back dirt. After that, electric pump send the water to huge tank. Then water flows down into our taps. Alright, we all have electric pump in our home. Now what is your classwork? As you can see on page number 67, we have to complete how does water get to our taps. We have to complete that. And your classwork is, how does water get to our taps? Write in a flow chart. Alright, you have to do it. Dear student, you can take hint from page number 67, which is activity. Do this puzzle. This is the activity. You can take the hint of this question, the answer of this question from page number 67. And level 2, you all know very well how to write sentences in a flow chart. Make downward arrow. This represent a flow chart. Alright, level 2, stay safe, stay home, take very good care of yourself. Also submit your home classwork, this work. Question, how does water get to our taps? Submit this question by sending your pictures to me. Alright, official timings to send your picture is from 8 o'clock till 1 p.m. No picture will be accepted after 1 p.m. Alright, this is the official timing. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.